Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to make an offer on Shpock. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shpock.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Shpock if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything. In the top right corner, we have your inbox. We have your profile where you have the selling, buying, watch list, save researches, reviews, save locations, help center settings, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and make an offer on Shpock. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So making an offer on Shpock is straightforward. First of all, you need to go and find an item. Go to the search bar, type for an item, of course, and find an item, or go here, of course, where you can go and check a item. Then make an offer, click on the make an offer button on the items page. So for instance, let's go here and you can click make an offer, enter your offer. So input the price you're willing to pay and add a message to the seller if you wish. Then just submit your offer to the seller. The seller can then accept, decline, or counter your offer. If they accept you, you can proceed with the payment and arrange for collection or delivery. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.